out here in Seattle near Pike's Place Market. You guys can see the city line over here. According to a guy on the street, that mountain behind me, I don't know if you can see it. Let's see. There's a mountain over there, right above my finger, right there. Apparently that's the second, according to him, it's the second largest mountain in the world at 14,000 feet. I'm not sure if I believe him or not, because the Himalayas are pretty huge. If you look at a globe and you put your finger across it, I don't remember Washington having the biggest mountain. Just put it that way. Huge boat behind me. About to go salsa dancing. Last night I stayed at a Starbucks parking lot, had Wi-Fi all night, so that was nice. But yeah, I'm out in Washington for probably 3 or 4 more days. Then I'm heading west, making a beeline back to Minnesota, and I'm stopping at Glacier Park along the way. Glacier National Park. I'm gonna skip Yellowstone. I'm gonna skip a lot of stuff in Montana, Idaho. I'm gonna save that for another time. I don't want to just go somewhere and take a picture and leave. Like that, I'm not like that. I like to, when I go somewhere, I like to breathe in the city, breathe in the atmosphere, really absorb it, and just go in and taking a picture for Facebook or Instagram. That's not my style. I like to really marinate in it. So yeah, I'll keep you guys posted. Something else I did today was get my REPRICER going, and that's basically, instead of me sitting there looking at the price charts history on Amazon and repricing each book manually, now what it's going to do is automatically, without me having to log on every hour, it's automatically going to update the price each hour. So that's going to make my job a little bit easier. Now all I have to do is be creative with the way I find books, try to get more creative, trying to make more connections with librarians, instead of just going in thrift stores and really roughing it out. You know, that's the nitty-gritty way of doing it, is going in thrift stores, buying them for $1 and flipping them for 20 bucks. Trying to get more creative with it and going to libraries, setting up deals where I get the librarian to scan for me, or rather get him to probably get one of his, if it's a college library, get like a TA to do it, or just another worker to scan them, put all the profitable ones in a pile, and then send me the ISBNs in a spreadsheet, and then I can just upload them to Amazon, and now my REPRICER is going to kick in and reprice all of them for me. So it's going to make it a little bit more passive for me. I spent a couple hours at Starbucks really trying to get things right. I think I have a pretty good system set up. You guys probably don't care about the specifics, but basically inventory after 90 days is going to be repriced more aggressively. So like for example, all the inventory that I had 90-day mark, which was a lot of the inventory that I got in December and January of this year, is now being priced super aggressively. So it will it'll get the buy box, which is, when you guys go on Amazon, the buy box is when you click on the product, it's the very first seller that you buy it from. It's literally, you can go to more offers. I don't want to be in the more offers section. I want to be in the very front page. So now this REPRICER is going to lower me down to the lowest price. I'm going to lose some money, but I'm also going to gain money because I'm not paying the storage fees, blah, 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 yada, yada, yada. I'm also documenting this for the long run. So a year from now, 2 years from now, I can look back and see what my thought process was when it came to the business, and just like my emotional state and things like that. So there's 2 reasons why I'm doing this. Third reason, entertain you guys. I know you guys like to watch me, some of you at least. Some of you guys don't care. But in the long run, I think these videos will pay off. Yeah, I mean, that's about it for now, business-wise. Peace out.